Alright, so I wanted to show you guys what's on the car now. It's a MagnaFlow muffler. So it's stainless steel. I just haven't really polished it. I'm sure I can bring all of that back to life if I would polish it, but I definitely want to change the style and have just like a quieter and deeper sound, and that's why I chose the Vibrant. So now we're going to turn the car on and give you guys an idea on how it sounds at idle. All right, we're going to turn the car on, and this is how it sounds at idle with the MagnaFlow muffler. All right, so now I'm going to rev it a little bit, and we're going to hear how the MagnaFlow muffler sounds like. All right, so we at the muffler shop. We're about to find out to see if we can get the install done today. All right, so we finally got the Vibrant muffler installed, and this is how it sounds at idle.